my gosh, I'm so excited. I made a request for a room, 60s or 70 area. It is really early right now. It's only 9 o'clock, so we're gonna park here and then go over to Magic Kingdom. So excited. Look, I've never stayed here before. Look, pop, pop, pop. I don't know if you can see it. The bright colors. Ooh, there's my husband.
Look at the bright colors.
Look. Ooh, doggies. And now we're outside of our truck. We have to wear a mask. We're on Disney property. You always have to wear your mask on Disney property. Walking up to the front door. Oh, it's exciting. I haven't stayed on property since last March. That's when our annual passes expired. We never renewed them. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited. We're gonna take the bus over to Magic Kingdom from here. We got a reservation for the day. So excited. Look. 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. Oh, doggies. Hey everybody, this is the next day. We were so tired last night, my camera battery died. But I wanted to show you where we stayed last night. We stayed at Pop Century, Building 1, room 1155. 1155. Keep in mind, we did stay here last night, so it's not up to par like when you first come to the resort. Let's go in. Here we go in. Here is the inside. There's my husband. So you first walk in the room. You have a refrigerator, small refrigerator, coffee, cups, ice chest, and you can operate your own air conditioning right here. And you open up this drawer. You have decaf. My husband already drank the regular coffee, but you did have 2 things of coffee, cream, sugar, etc. And then, hope you know that Disney recycles. You have a regular garbage bin and a recycling garbage bin. And then you walk over here. Look at this phone. You know what these things are? Look at these strange things. But you can call for room service, etc., dining, luggage pickup, whatever you may need. Look at what we got yesterday. Goofy and Pluto. And I collect pins. I got a pin from Magic Kingdom we went to yesterday. See Mickey up there? You got lights for each side of the bed. This one and this one controls the light up there. You got drawers, safe, extra pillow, 3 drawers for your clothing, whatever you want to store, etc. Right there. Let's go in here. This is a door for connecting rooms. It's just us 2 staying here, so this is locked. Let's go in the bathroom area. We also have these to hang up your wet clothes, whatever you need to hang up there. Bags when you come back from the park. Little closet area. Hangers. Ironing board. Kleenexes. Extra tissue. Kleenexes. More storage. Oh, look at this. You have a dryer and iron. Didn't know that was in there. Very cool. And there was more washcloths, but we've been using them. Like I said, we've been staying here already. Soap. Look at this mirror. I'm gonna get one of these for home. I like this vanity mirror. It extends, magnifies. Hello. Here, it is. It's really nice. I want one for home. The light for here. Hello. Let's go in the bathroom area here. It's a bathroom. And you get body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. They don't have little samples anymore. They try and keep waste down. And we came in here, this said cleaned on it. The plastic thing around it. It said cleaned. Got a rain-in shower. Isn't that cool? We're in the 50s themed rooms. Got a lock. And this side, watch this. You have a mirror. Hello. See my Alaska Cruise Line shirt. And I want to show you some other things. Alright, I want to show you this cool door. Check this out. Watch. See you later. You close off the bathroom for extra privacy. So have kids with you or something here? You close off this door. I like these sliding doors. Pretty cool. I want to show you another cool thing that I found. I want to show you one more thing. This is pretty awesome. I like this. Okay, take these chairs away. My husband's sitting in the other chair, but there's two chairs here. Pull this away. This is a Murphy bed. It's not really hard to pull down. It's pretty easy. So your table area becomes another bed. And you got Pluto if you're sleeping. This is really easy. I mean, you got your extra pillows on your other bed for this bed. I mean, it's simple to use. If I can do it, you can do it. Because I have really weak arms. I got no muscle in my arms. But yeah, I want to show you that. And you have your nightstand on that side for your bed, if needed. Yeah, so that's the Murphy bed. And to push it back up, pick it up, and it's like spring loaded in there, so it's easy. And watch the table come back up. There's that. I'm going to show you one more thing that I forgot to show you. So when you come in, you get this enhanced cleaning. Door handles, pull knobs, switches, closets, beverage. I mean, all this has been extra cleaned. And they show you what they clean. You got the number here, like for instance, number 1. And your door. 2, your light switches and controls. There. It's pretty neat. Here is a building next to us. I'm not sure what that says. I can't see that forward over there. Bebop. See the records? Bebopping. Look at that. And the Tramp themed. There is a pool. It's early. It's like 8:30 in the morning. So things are closed right now. Doghouse. Look! Eddie and the Tramp. This is real hip-hop. You're something. I can't see down there. You can see classic 50s. Transistor radio. I believe this pole is shaped as a bowling pin. The bowling balls there. All the chairs. Crazy man, dreamy, that says. The most. Is the jukebox over there? It's just huge. See, this staircase is a bowling pin. Walk over this way. Again, that side it's hard to see, but that's a bowling pin staircase. Look at the big yo-yo. Duncan Imperial Yo-Yo. We're going in the yo-yo. Yo-yo. It's just huge. This lights up at night. The lights. There's a view from up the second floor. We're in building 4. There's a hippity hoppity pool. This is the main building over here. Jungle Book. Play-Doh, anybody? I like playing Play-Doh. You think it's too big to play with? Maybe. Giraffe. Here is a view of the Play-Doh from the ground. There's a front view of the Play-Doh. Look at that big cat. Pool hours are 11 to 9. And from here, you can take the Skyliner, which I did not know that I found that out yesterday. You can do the Skyliner from here. Skyliner. Walk over and hop onto it. Down that way. Here is Mowgli and Baloo. Look how big they are. They're just huge. They're ginormous. Here's another peek at the pool. And this pool is the one closest to the main buildings. Where you can go to the store, the gift shop, get your breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. Building where you check in. This is 90s. The buildings 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. So the building themes are 50s through 90s. Look at this view. Peace, man. Can you dig it? And these flowers, I believe they spit out water. Here is a map of the popcentury area. Classic Hall, which is the main building where you check in. Yep. I stayed in this building, number 1. Right now we are here by the Classic Hall. Right behind me is the Pedals bar / get your beverage refill station, but they refill that for you. This was open last night. Hours are 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. And there is sanitizer throughout the parks and throughout the resort here. We're gonna go inside the Classic Hall and I'll show you around a little bit. I do want to point out the arcade is closed due to, of course, the pandemic. We're gonna go in. Pop. Health and safety reminders. Let's take the tour of popcentury Resort Classic Hall. And as I mentioned before, the arcade is closed due to the virus. Where I'm pointing to is the cafe and the gift stores. They are monitoring how many people go in at once. The door straight ahead will take us to the Disney buses to get around Disney property. Guest services. This is where you can check in if needed if you did not check in on the app. This is the front of the building. It's where you catch the bus to go to the parks. Big line to go to Magic Kingdom. I allow 25 people, I believe, on the bus at one time. This is the gift shop. It's exit only, so I can't go in this direction. You go in the entrance only, and they are counting how many people go in and out. Popcentury Resort. This is our first time staying at Popcentury. I do have to say I really enjoy it. I like the theme. It's great. It's fun. I'm gonna go back to our room and pack up. Hey everybody, I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Lets me know you care. Hope you like this tour of Magic Kingdom and Popcentury. From us, wishing you a magical day. That's a wrap. See you next video. Bye-bye.